Hello VIP. In this lesson we're gonna look at capitulation trades. This is one of the most profitable setup and most probable setups, okay, with the highest probability of making money in that. So basically, what is capitulation? Capitulation is a time that the market is just crashing very hard, panic situation, and the price drops like crazy. Okay, now we're talking about at least 40% dump in a matter of a week. Okay, so for example, the Corona crash could be the best example. If we're looking at it from this high, okay, from the 8K level, 9K level, okay, we dropped here almost 60%, okay, in a matter of week. Okay, so this is capitulation trade. We want to wait for a dump of at least more than 40%. Let's say 50% will be amazing. If you see a market to go down 50%, Bitcoin, okay, we're talking about Bitcoin, only Bitcoin, okay, we do capitulation trade only on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is always bouncing from capitulation trade. Okay, if we dump 50%, it always will have a bounce. Okay, now you can see the demand for this asset is huge. So once you see Bitcoin dumping 50%, buy, people, buy. Now we have allocated money for this amount, this type of timing in the market. Now when you see it goes more than 40%, I'm starting scaling in. Okay, I'm starting scaling in. This is capitulation. Okay, and let's say we have in the side, let's say 10K, okay? So we divide it to 3 entries. We start scaling in at 40%, then we start scaling in at 50%, and then finally we start scaling at 60. If it's not reaching 60 and it's bottomed on the 50 and it starts reversing, we add on the bounce, okay? Because the bounce play, you just hold it. You buy the capitulation trade and you hodl it for 2 months, 1 month, it doesn't matter. You can even sell it after a week. After a week, you will make 50%, and after 2 months, you're gonna make 100%. So this is unreal gains, okay? If you really have the nerve to step into this kind of red day, okay, that coming on your chart, when you look at it like that, when you see this kind of red day, and you have the guts to buy it, it will be very, very profitable. It's almost guaranteed in Bitcoin. So this is capitulation trade, a situation when it falls more than 40%. Okay, this is capitulation trade. We had also another capitulation here on the break of the support of 6K back in 2018. Okay, let me just remind you that. You probably know it or seen it before. Okay, we had this triangle and it broke down. Once it broke down, we dumped 50%, okay, from here to the bottom, okay, from 6K to 3K, 50%. So again, our condition, you can scale in 50. I like to scale in maybe in 30%. I see it dump 30%. I'm start scaling in a position here, another position at 40%, and another position at 50%, and bam, holding it for a couple of months, and look what happened after the capitulation. Okay, so sometimes it's play out like in the Corona epic bounce play. Sometimes it takes more time, but this is why we allocate the money in our trading account, the capital. We allocate 20% of it for this kind of situation. You can allocate 10%, 20, 30, up to you guys, but that's the capitulation trade.